All right, here I have a 2020 Lexus RX-350 with a 3.5-liter engine, and I'm gonna show real quick all the information for your oil change. It takes 0W20. It takes 5.7 quarts. The drain plug is a 14 millimeter. The drain plug torque is 30 foot-pounds. The torque for the cap actually is 18 foot-pounds. And then that last number down there, OEM, is the OEM filter number, right? And if you want to see where everything's at the top here, you got your oil fill and your dipstick right next to each other. And at the bottom here on the passenger side, your drain plug and your oil filter are pretty close to each other. This is the OEM filter. Usually I get them at Walmart. And then for your gasket, usually I get them on Amazon, but that's the part number. And I usually just get the, the aftermarket ones because you could get like 20 of them for like $5. All right. And then to reset your oil life or your maintenance required light, you're gonna go to the side right here like this to the little gear, and then you're gonna go down to vehicle settings. You just gotta find it, press OK on that, go down to schedule maintenance, press OK, go up, press OK, and then that's about it. So there's two of them. There's schedule maintenance and oil maintenance. Oil maintenance is your oil change. Schedule maintenance is stuff like tire rotation, checking your air filters, topping off your fluids, etc.